Welcome to Stage 5, the 15th of April, 2024, Day 29, 8 a.m. Parts cut out and ready to clean up for assembly. Day 30, 6:30 a.m. All parts fitted and cleaned yesterday. Painted today. Using the pre-made 50/50 matte black Humbrol No33 mix. Wait 1 day to dry. Day 31, 7:30 a.m. Second coat of matte black, 100% this time. One more day to dry. Day 32, 6:30 a.m. Coat of gloss black Humbrol, number 21, 100%. One more day to dry. Day 33, 12:30 p.m. First coat of Humbrol, 191, Chrome Effect Paint. One more day to dry. Day 34, 8 a.m. Second coat of 191. Wait one more day. Day 35, April 25th, 9 a.m. All checked. All seems okay. Put to one side, ready for fitting later. End of Stage 5. Please, leave a comment. What do you think of the build?